Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate Cadbury easy method. Heat 2 cups whole milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 3 tablespoons Cadbury cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons sugar until smooth. Simmer gently for 2 minutes without boiling. Remove from heat. Stir in 1 tsp vanilla. Pour into mugs and top with marshmallows or cream, and enjoy. Start by measuring ingredients precisely for consistent results and a balanced cup. Warm the milk over medium-low heat and whisk consistently so the cocoa dissolves evenly. Keep the mixture below boiling to protect flavor and texture, then remove from heat when steaming. Stir in vanilla and taste before serving, adding a small pinch of salt for depth if desired, and ladle into warmed mugs for a cozy presentation. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great, and I use it after grocery runs with hot chocolate supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you do pick one up, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Explore simple variations to customize your Cadbury hot chocolate and keep it interesting. Add a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg for cozy spice, or stir in 1 tsp instant espresso to deepen the chocolate notes. Swap whole milk for almond or oat milk for a dairy-free version, and adjust sweetness by 1 tsp increments. Finish with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cocoa for an indulgent cup every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.